Today, I want to talk a little bit about starting affiliate marketing with no money, or at least starting affiliate marketing without spending any additional money or wasting money on stuff that you don't need. Now, before we go any further, I want you to understand that we all start at zero when we start this journey of affiliate marketing or this journey of trying to make money online. And now that we understand that everyone starts at zero, so you're in the same boat as everyone else, let's go back to this wonderful gizmo. Now, if you are into certain types of photography or outdoor activities that you want to become an affiliate for, and you're going to create content, then you might need to buy one of these gizmos. Now, this gizmo is a gimbal. So if we're to go to YouTube and look for best gimbal for iPhone, if you were into this, if you actually knew how to use this, which I don't, by the way, I bought it and never actually used it, never learned how to use it, because I simply don't need it. But if I did, I could go to YouTube and I could start creating gimbal review videos or talking about which one of these products works the best for me, why I like it, why I don't like it, what I think about it, what I think it's best for. And then I would make a video. And again, starting at zero, I would create without spending any additional money, because the thing is, if you have a gimbal or multiple gimbals, you're not going to spend any additional money buying these gimbals. Now, let's be real about this and the expectations of what it takes to build money or to build a business to generate money online. And yes, that's ultimately what we're doing here. We are coming up with content, or we're going to focus our efforts on utilizing a strategic plan, a framework, a roadmap, a strategy that tells us exactly what to do step by step. And that roadmap looks like this. First, we need to generate traffic. Traffic is picking a topic. Now, we're looking at this gimbal, saying we're going to talk about gimbals, not specifically just gimbals, but all the things around why, where, how you would need gimbals and the different types of equipment that goes with what you would be using a gimbal for, and becoming an expert or sharing your advice, your tips around this type of equipment. And of course, this is just an example. But to go back, you understand that you need to pick that topic. Then you need a certain set of tools. You need some technology, or understand some technology and the way that technology works with these tools. And you need time to start creating consistent content, which are the videos that you create here on YouTube. Now, you move into offer. That's where you get your affiliate link from a marketplace like Amazon. And then eventually you're going to want to build an email list and you're going to add people to an email list. But for right now, let's not worry about that. And let's just talk about the fact that we need to pick a topic. In this case, we're going to pick a topic about using gizmos and gadgets like this. And we're going to do that by talking about gadgets and gizmos like this, what we know about them, what we like about them, what we don't like about them, and then share that experience here on YouTube or other social media platforms. Now, inside this top strategy, we have traffic. We picked our topic. We understand that we're going to need certain types of tools. If we want to film this, maybe we're just going to use our phone. And while we're using our phone with this gizmo, we're going to have another phone, or we have another camera, or we have someone else working with us to film us as we use this gizmo. Those are all things that you need to figure out and understand the technology that's required, depending on the types of videos that you're doing. Then you go back to creating consistent content. And then once we settle on that, then we need an offer. And again, at this point, we're just going to say, let's not worry about building an email list right now, because it's really outside of the scope, because we want to focus on offer and getting an affiliate link. Now, if you're looking to promote a gizmo like this, where does just about everybody buy these? They get them from Amazon. So you head over to Amazon, you look at their Amazon Associates. This is their affiliate marketing program. This is where you get your link. This is where you get your link to share, to earn a commission when people check out your reviews or your how-to guides about using this gimbal. They have a 3-step process here. They say step 1 is to sign up, step 2 is to recommend, and step 3 is to earn. I want to change this a little bit, and I want to say that step 1 is to recommend by starting today creating content consistently here on YouTube, recommending and talking about, sharing what it is you like, what you think you like, and or why or how you would use this product. And then after you do that for a while and build up an audience, then you sign up, then you have your affiliate link, then you continue to recommend, and then step 3 is where you start earning a commission when people click on your link in the description to get a gizmo like this one right here. Now, the reason I put it in this order and I don't go with the sign up, recommend, earn, because there are certain requirements. If you scroll down here on this page, you'll see here, how do I qualify for this program? So you have to answer this question. you have to answer this question first and foremost with yourself. How do I qualify for this program? Bloggers, publishers, and content creators with qualifying website or mobile apps can participate in this program. Now, if you are an influencer, if you're creating content and you influence people in their decision, but you also influence people by helping them with consistent or helpful content consistently on a YouTube channel, showing them how to use gadgets like this, along with the phone that goes with it, and actually how to get the most out of it, and then they start taking you up on your recommendation and they start clicking on your links in the description, that's when you want to join this program. And you can do that by understanding that if you have an established social media platform, then it says here that the Amazon Influencer Program might be better for you. But before we get there, understand that there are rules, there are policies that you have to follow. So check out all those policies. This was last updated March 1st, 2024. This is May 2024. But understand that you also, to participate, you have to be able to meet certain eligibility requirements here with your content. Now, it says here in really, really small print that you have to have content, you have to be consistent in your content, and your content can't be obscene or promote violence, things of that nature. Pretty simple to understand. The next thing that you need to understand is another 3-step process, which is the Amazon Influencer Program. And really, honestly, if you get accepted to one, you're accepted to the other. You can be an affiliate and an influencer. But the idea here is you pick products like this with the audience that you've already built, going back to my top strategy of generating traffic by creating consistent, helpful content, showing people how to use cool gizmos and gadgets like this. And for me too, I'd probably check out your video because like I said, I never actually figured out how to use this. But you go back and it says, build a storefront, create, and it says here, create and recommend products to your audience. Again, I would start here. This is step 1. Step 1 today is to start creating content, start showing people how to use this cool gadget. And of course, I'm just using this as an example, but don't spend any additional money that you don't have. But again, let's be real. If you have this, you're going to need an internet connection. You're going to need a computer or a phone or a camera to video and post it on social media and here on YouTube. But then you go back to this process and you say, okay, step 1, I'm going to create, right? Then I'm going to apply for the influencer program, and then I'm going to build that storefront, and that's where I'm going to have a personalized URL here on Amazon. Then I'm going to continue to create helpful content, and then I'm going to earn a commission. Now, what does this look like in actual practice? We looked at my roadmap and the proven strategy, the fact that you need traffic first. This is creating helpful content. Then you pick an offer. Now, that really means that you get an affiliate link for the offer because the offer is this cool gizmo, this gimbal that you're recommending. Of course, it might not be this one because this one might not actually be any good. But the point is you need to take this to reality and you go back to YouTube and you say, let me look for best gimbal for iPhone. And you say, what is the best gimbal for iPhone? Is this the best gimbal for iPhone? And then like you see here, people have tested 3 gimbals, they've tested 6 gimbals, but then you also might create content about how to actually use this very specific gimbal because somebody like me that wasted money on this because they thought they needed this to create content here on YouTube, but then found out that they didn't need to spend any money, that they could start from zero because that's where everyone starts. Well, you might just like to know how to use this specific gimbal. And if I watch a video on how to use this or a comparison video on other ones, and I actually learn how to use this one, but it doesn't have a feature that I actually need, then I'll click on that link in the description. And if I need that gimbal, if I need to spend additional money to make it easier or better for me to be an affiliate marketer, to create content here on YouTube, then I'd click on the link in that description because at the end of the day, I know that guy started just like me or that gal started just like me and they started at zero and I want to help them out. And most people, they don't even really understand or get the idea of affiliate marketing. So don't worry about that. Just be transparent in your description and in the stance or the fact that you will earn a commission and you appreciate them helping out the channel by buying through your link because you'll earn a commission when they make that purchase. Let's be realistic. If you don't have a computer, if you don't have an internet connection, then you're going to have to get those things. So that those things are going to cost you money, but don't buy things that you don't need. Don't buy things that you aren't going to use. Just get the stuff that you need to get started, very simply. And most likely you already have the things that you need. You have a cell phone. You can record a video talking about this gimbal and then get accepted to the Amazon influencer program or the affiliate program after you keep creating helpful content about gadgets like this and you show them your YouTube channel and the year's worth of videos that you made, which is only 50 videos to be quite honest, to be fair about it, 1 video a week, then you'll get accepted and you can start making money as an affiliate marketer. And that's how you get started. If you got any questions, let me know. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.